to say, Ernest, have you read a news item in the Mumbai Mirror? So I said, what is the news item about? So he said, oh, there's a young man who was helped to take a lady who was fallen from a bike, and he took her to hospital, and he, great difficulty, got her admitted. And he said to read the news item, and I said, okay, I'll read it. So then he said, I went to his house, and then he said, look, this young boy, Dimitri's Pace, had to pay 20,000 rupees from his pocket. So I am planning to reimburse him the 20,000 rupees. I was a bit perturbed because I thought he wanted me to reimburse him. So I was a bit relieved. But he said he would pay the 20,000. And then he said, look, we must meet him. So I said, how are you going to meet him? So he said, no, I managed to get his telephone number. So then he arranged for Dimitris to come to his house. And then he invited Shama and me. And we met Dimitris and heard what Dimitris had to say, and we asked him a lot of questions. And then Shama decided, and we decided, look, let's felicitate him. And frankly speaking, we received a lot of kindness in our attempt to felicitate him. Unlimited kindness. Because when we went to Cornell with this story, Cornell immediately said, yes, Swansea Catholic Cooperative Housing Society will provide the conference room and host the event. Then when I went to Dr. Matthew from the Janki Devi Institute and said, will you come for this function and will you bring along all your students? He immediately said yes, he would do it. Then when I went to Kindness International, Nirmala Mehendale, and I asked her, will you also come for this function? She said, not only will I come, I will also give an award. So I think now we have got used to how to felicitate. And so anytime we have to go to organize these functions, please call on us. And we would help to arrange them. And I'm sure that will bring about a lot of change. But I was very struck by what Dimitris just said about the support system. And I think we require to thank the parents of both Shrishti and Dimitris for producing such children with such a value system. Because why did they do it? It's because the values they received in their family and from their parents. And those values are today what are in great short supply. Because parents are more interested in 3 M's. First is marks. Everything the child is asked, how many marks you got? Everyone asks how many marks you got. So what does the child think? Marks are the most. The second thing, parents may not say so, but they are, and what we see our society, they are interested in money. How much money are you earning? What job are you getting? What is your career? And the third thing they are interested in is matrimony. The amount of time spent on matrimony is very large. So where is there any scope for values in all this? So I think we must really look at our whole value system. And that is where in Janki Devi Institute of Management, all these young students are being inflicted lectures on ethics. 15 sessions each of 3 hours on what it means to be ethical. And I think today in India, this whole question of ethics and values has now got a resurgence. In all institutes of management, it's a compulsory subject, and but it may not result in people changing their ethics and their values because they receive lectures. So what it is, what it means, what a value system means, what Indian values mean, this is all being debated and taught. And I would like to thank all these young students for having come today. They didn't know where Bandra Gym was. First time they're coming from all over Bombay. And we do appreciate the fact that you all are present. And all those who have come today, it shows that they also have a value system where in spite of not very clement weather, they have all come. Thank you very much.